Are vending machines a great side hustle for a passive income stream? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of vending machines as a potential side hustle for passive income. If you've ever thought about earning money while you sleep, this might just be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we'll explore how vending machines work, the initial investment required, and the various locations that can maximize your profits. We'll also discuss the benefits of this business model, such as low maintenance and the ability to scale your operations. But it's not all smooth sailing. We'll also highlight some challenges you might face, like competition and machine upkeep. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether vending machines could be a viable side hustle for you. So, if you're curious about how to turn a simple machine into a money-making venture, stick around. Let's uncover the ins and outs of vending machines and see if this passive income stream is right for you. Understanding vending machines. Vending machines are automated devices designed to dispense a variety of products, offering convenience to consumers on the go. Their primary purpose is to provide quick access to snacks, beverages, and other items without the need for human interaction. This makes them a popular choice for busy environments where people appreciate the ease of grabbing something to eat or drink. There are several types of vending machines available today. Snack machines typically offer chips, candy bars, and other quick bites, while beverage machines focus on drinks like soda, water, and energy drinks. Specialty machines have emerged as well, providing items like fresh food, healthy snacks, or even electronics, catering to diverse consumer needs. You'll often find vending machines in high-traffic locations such as schools, offices, hospitals, and shopping centers. These strategic placements ensure that people have access to refreshments whenever they need them, making vending machines a staple in our daily lives. Understanding how these machines operate can help you see their potential as a profitable side hustle. Initial investment and costs. Starting a vending machine business requires a thoughtful approach to financial investment. The initial costs can vary significantly depending on whether you choose to purchase or lease your machines. On average, a new vending machine can range from $3,000 to $10,000, while used machines may be more affordable, typically costing between $1,500 and $5,000. In addition to the purchase price, you'll need to consider ongoing expenses. Restocking your machines is crucial, and this can cost anywhere from $50 to $200 per month, depending on the products you choose. Maintenance is another factor. Regular servicing can add another $100 to $300 annually. If you're placing your machines in high-traffic locations, you may also need to pay location fees, which can range from a flat monthly rate to a percentage of your sales. When it comes to profit margins, vending machines can be quite lucrative. For example, if you sell a snack for $1.50 that costs you 50 cents, you're looking at a profit margin of around 66%. Understanding these financial aspects is essential for a successful vending machine venture. Choosing the right products. Selecting the right products for your vending machines is crucial for maximizing sales and attracting customers. Popular items typically include snacks like chips, candy bars, and cookies, as well as beverages such as soda, water, and energy drinks. However, there's a growing demand for healthier options, including granola bars, nuts, and fruit snacks, which can appeal to health-conscious consumers. Conducting market research is essential to identify local preferences. Spend some time observing what people are buying in nearby stores or even conducting surveys to understand their tastes. This insight will help you tailor your inventory to meet the specific needs of your target audience. Additionally, consider incorporating seasonal products to keep your offerings fresh and appealing. For instance, during the summer months, you might want to stock cold beverages and ice cream, while in the winter, hot drinks like coffee or cocoa can be a hit. By staying attuned to trends and preferences, you can ensure your vending machines remain popular and profitable throughout the year. Location, location, location. Choosing the right locations for your vending machines is a critical factor in determining their success. High foot traffic areas significantly increase the likelihood of sales, as more potential customers will pass by your machines. Understanding the demographics of these locations is equally important. For instance, a gym may attract health-conscious individuals who prefer nutritious snacks, while a school might see higher demand for candy and soft drinks. Some prime examples of high-traffic locations include gyms, schools, hospitals, and office buildings. Gyms often have patrons looking for quick energy boosts post-workout, while schools provide a steady stream of students seeking snacks between classes. Hospitals can be lucrative as well, catering to visitors and staff who need convenient food options. Additionally, consider negotiating placement deals with business owners. Many businesses are open to hosting vending machines in exchange for a percentage of the profits or a flat fee. This can create a win-win situation, providing you with a prime location while offering the business an added service for their employees or customers. Maintenance and management. Managing vending machines involves ongoing responsibilities that are crucial for ensuring their profitability and reliability. Regular maintenance is essential to keep machines in good working order and to prevent breakdowns. Establishing a consistent restocking schedule is equally important. This ensures that popular items are always available, minimizing lost sales due to empty slots. Efficient cash collection and inventory management are key components of successful vending machine operations. It's important to develop a routine for collecting cash and tracking sales, which can help you identify trends and adjust your inventory accordingly. Keeping detailed records will also assist in budgeting and forecasting future needs. In today's digital age, technology can greatly enhance your management capabilities. Many vending machines now come equipped with remote monitoring systems that allow you to track sales and inventory levels in real time. This technology can alert you when stock is low or when maintenance is needed, saving you time and reducing the risk of lost revenue. By staying organized and leveraging technology, you can effectively manage your vending machine business for long-term success. Potential earnings and passive income. Vending machines can be a lucrative source of passive income, with earnings varying based on location and product selection. On average, a well-placed vending machine can generate anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month. High-traffic locations, such as gyms or schools, tend to yield higher profits, especially when stocked with popular items that cater to the specific audience. Achieving passive income with vending machines is possible with minimal daily involvement. Once your machines are set up and stocked, they can operate independently, allowing you to focus on other ventures. Regular maintenance and restocking can be scheduled weekly or bi-weekly, making it a manageable side hustle. Real-life examples of successful vending machine entrepreneurs illustrate this potential. For instance, some individuals have turned their vending machine businesses into six-figure incomes by strategically placing multiple machines in high-demand areas and diversifying their product offerings. These success stories highlight that with the right approach, vending machines can indeed provide a steady stream of passive income, making them an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. Challenges and considerations. While the vending machine business can be rewarding, it's important to acknowledge the challenges that come with it. Common issues include vandalism and theft, which can lead to significant financial losses. Additionally, machine malfunctions can disrupt sales and require prompt attention to maintain customer satisfaction. Regular maintenance and security measures can help mitigate these risks, but they are still factors to consider. Customer service plays a crucial role in the success of your vending machine business. Addressing complaints and feedback promptly can enhance customer loyalty and improve your reputation. If a machine is out of order or a product is stuck, being responsive can turn a negative experience into a positive one, encouraging repeat business. Before diving into the vending machine venture, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons. While the potential for passive income is appealing, the challenges require careful planning and management. By understanding these considerations, you can make informed decisions and set yourself up for success in the vending machine industry. Vending machines present an exciting opportunity for those looking to explore a side hustle with the potential for passive income. Key takeaways include the importance of understanding your initial investment, which can vary based on whether you purchase or lease machines. Selecting the right products tailored to local preferences is crucial for maximizing sales, and choosing high-traffic locations can significantly impact your success. As we've discussed, while there are challenges such as maintenance, theft, and customer service, the rewards can outweigh these hurdles when managed effectively. Vending machines can indeed be a viable option for generating passive income with minimal daily involvement. If you're intrigued by the idea of starting your own vending machine business, we encourage you to take the plunge and explore this venture further.